All right, it is July 22nd, Monday. Going over some ETFs and some stocks. TQQQ, let's do this next. Let's go to the daily chart first. Yeah, big uptrend ever since this November low, which was about, we'll say 30, and moved all the way up to 60, pull back to 50, all the way up to 85. And, we did a big rising wedge, a big falling wedge. Falling wedge is a reversal. And there you go. There's a cross from here, went a little below that. Stochastics on this is at 955. It's very low. And it was a nice move up today, 3.73%. Could this be the low? It looks like it. I have three lines here. A major line, the all-time, not the all-time, well, the low from November. You have a low from May. This actually should be over about here. And then you have a lowest, medium, and this is the closest right now. It didn't come that exactly, so we'll see if it tests that again or not. Tomorrow will be interesting. If it goes up through that, that'd be very good if we can get above 76. Maybe not tomorrow. We'll see how this plays out, but that would be the key level. The weekly on this is coming down. It's a pretty nice, move, the red over white on stochastics. So you'd watch here any lower than like 70. That'll be a key point. That's the weekly. The monthly chart, still very high up there. Nothing much doing. You're overbought, but staying there. 5 minute on this was absolute beast. So you go back to, let me bring this back a little bit. All right, 7 a.m. Even earlier than that, we were like 72, moved all the way up to 72, 75, kept going. Big volatility at the open. Did get to 74.25, then we go all the way down. Retest that, pretty much go back up like a double top. Tried again a little bit lower, but it was a fade. So the back and forth volatility in here was good to trade. Then if you're short here, this is a massive candle on the 5 minute. You're all the way down to 72.25. So you have 4 wicks right here in this one. That was a nice low. Look how low we got. Stochastics 547. All right, so basically 72.25. Then we go all the way up to 74.50. Look at this V recovery, then some above it before it fades out a little bit. So, it was a big move. You got 1 move, 2, 3, 4, like 5 moves on TQQQ to trade today. So it's pretty amazing. Minus 54.75 futures right now on the NASDAQ. So let me bring this closer. We'll see how this plays out. But this is what a falling wedge is. When you go wide too tight, it's going to run out of room. And look where it was. Very oversold. It hasn't been this low since back in May, April. Right there is a little bit higher. So, there are the moves right now. We're still in an uptrend, but we're getting a lot more volatility. You see these like up and down moves, compared to, November, this thing was just straight up. All right, so the width too of this move, going back all the way to high line January, look at that high line. You have a touch, a touch, a touch here. That's why I have all these low lines now. They're like spiraling out. It's like spider web out. So you have 1, 2, 3. If you ever fall to here, you have all in place to see what happens here. All right, so that's where we're at right now. We'll see tomorrow again. I like to the upside now that these moves are put in that cross, but we'll see if it plays out exactly. All right, that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Himman Trades on YouTube. Smash the like button. Mike J Trades on X. Mike Himman Trades on Instagram and TikTok and wherever else I'm at. Peace.